Are you planning to buy a home in the USA this year? Hold on, because 2025 might just be the best time to buy a house. And at the same time, the worst time you could make a move. Sounds confusing, right? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real secrets behind the US housing market in 2025. The good, the bad, and what nobody actually tells you. By the end, you'll know exactly if this is your year to buy, or if waiting might save you thousands of dollars. Let's start with the positives. Why could 2025 actually be the best time to buy a home? For the first time in years, we're finally seeing a shift. The market that once felt impossible for buyers is starting to open up. Inventory is climbing, which means there are more houses on the market and less brutal competition compared to the bidding wars of 2021 and 2022. And here's the exciting part. Buyers now have more negotiation power. Sellers who overprice their homes are cutting down. Many are even offering closing cost credits or upgrades just to attract serious buyers. On top of that, while mortgage rates are still higher than what we saw during the pandemic, analysts expect gradual drops later this year. If you lock in a property before rates fall, you could be ahead of the rush when demand spikes again. And the bigger risk? Economic uncertainty. If the economy slows down or dips into recession, buyers who rush in today might see their property values stagnate or even drop. And the bigger risk? Economic uncertainty. If the economy slows down or dips into recession, buyers who rush in today might see their property values stagnate or even drop. Add on the skyrocketing costs of property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, especially in states like Florida and California. And suddenly the dream of homeownership turns into a heavy financial burden. Another truth is this: nobody can perfectly time the market, waiting for the absolute lowest price or the perfect rate. It's almost impossible. Instead, the real question is 2025 the right time for you? Do you have a stable income, strong savings, and long-term plans in one place? If yes, then this year could be your window of opportunity. But if you're stretching your budget or buying out of fear, waiting may be your safest option. So, is 2025 the best or worst time to buy a home in the USA? The truth is, it can be either. If you're financially prepared and find the right property, this year could change your life. But if you're uncertain, rushing could cost you more than just money. So, is 2025 the best or worst time to buy a home in the USA? The truth is, it can be either. If you're financially prepared and find the right property, this year could change your life. But if you're uncertain, rushing could cost you more than just money. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to buy a home in 2025? Or are you waiting it out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know your perspective. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here at Next Door Empire, we break down the real estate market like nobody else.